A very good afternoon to one and all. I'm Dr. Surya Singh, and I've done my master's from ABCT Mangalore and a fellowship after that in head and neck surgical oncology from Delhi. I'm currently practicing in Chandigarh, and I am from Chandigarh itself. So the topic given to me is challenges in 3 years of post graduation, and that's a topic very, very close to me as well. So because definitely there are a lot of challenges that you'll be facing, and it's not a bad thing. It's something that you probably utilize to grow out in life. And because post graduation is not just about education, it is much, much more. It's a life, it's a concept in its whole self. So basically, the moment you come from graduation into the post graduation, it'll be like a jump for you. So, like you come from 10th to 11th, it's a jump. Similarly, when you come from graduation to your post graduation, this will be a jump wherein you don't know where you're going. You'll feel as if you know, but then again there'll be a moment when you'll know that then when you feel then you that you know don't know about where you're going. So it's like you're jumping off a cliff. Now you go down, you don't know that there's a lift which is coming from there and which will get you up, and it'll take you much higher up than this cliff where you were standing. So post graduation is exactly like that. So basically when this happens is you'll have to realize that it's not just one thing that you have to think about, it's a million things that you have to think about. It's a total different level of life, it's a total different level of profession and a personal development as well that you're going to be incorporating and thinking and dwelling upon. Because in life you face a lot of challenges, and similarly in post graduation also there'll be a lot of challenges. There are things that about what is expected and what is humanly possible. There are a lot of things which will be expected of you from your professors, from your colleagues, from your peers, from your parents, from everyone you probably know or possibly know during that point in time. And how much you can fulfill, how much you can keep everyone happy, and how much you can keep yourself happy is one of the most important things. Because PG is a totally professional mindset. It's in some undergraduate courses, in some undergraduate colleges, you can get away with a few things of not being very, very professional, be it a dressing attire, be it the way you carry yourself, be it the way you look. So you can get away with a lot of things. Whereas in post graduation, everything that is expected of you is very, very professional. Right from the moment you are in the college till the moment you sleep at your place and come back again. Everything should be very professional as it can get, because that's building you for life. I remember I'll share a small incident with you. I remember that here during my undergraduation, I used to wear jeans, I used to wear t-shirt, and I used to go to college most of the days. And it wasn't ever stressed upon that I really need to kind of uh, go in formals. So I wasn't kind of introduced to the concept as well. Now, when I landed up down south in Navy Shetty, and the first day I went the same way in jeans and in a t-shirt, and because I didn't know that you really need to wear a shirt, you need to wear trousers, you need to go in a very, very formal attire. And then everyone was looking at me as if, they've seen an alien or something. And then all the staff members, one by one, called me to their staff room and they told me that, this is a professional college. You have to kind of wear formal clothes. So, right from the way you present yourself, right from the way you dress up, till the way, about the studies and everything which comes into place, it's about a professional environment. And for someone who doesn't know about it, it is a challenge. And it's a good challenge. It'll be a very, very beneficial thing for you in your life. Then coming to the department part per se, you probably need to kind of do night duties. Maxillofacial surgery entails a lot of night duties, and it goes on for nights on end. And there'll be times where you won't even get time to eat, where you won't even get time to sleep, and you have to kind of manage it in between night duties, daytime college, and between you getting 1 or 2 hours to go back to your room or house to change, freshen up, and come back. Because this is one of the biggest challenges and the biggest jump, like I said, because you've never done this before today, and now you are into that, and you have to do that, and there's no learning in it. You have already come into it, and you have to do it. So take it in stride, take it as a very, very good challenge that you possibly, because that's possible, you can do it. Everyone does it, you will be able to do it. And there'll be emergency on calls, duties, um, you know difficulty there. You'll have a lot of difficulties in meeting with a lot of deadlines, because besides the duties and everything, there'll be a lot of department work as well, a lot of study work as well, which I'll come to later on in the presentation. So there'll be a lot of things which you'll have to deal with. So there will most probably be times wherein you possibly can't deal with it, you possibly cannot manage it, because it's a very, very big challenge to kind of fulfill the requirements. But that's okay. Be kind to yourself. You'll push through. You'll be able to do it. It's your PG. That's what you're learning about. And one thing, just remember in PG, because that you cannot get away with things very easily. So this is a point to ponder upon. There'll be a lot of times before in your life when you don't have much responsibilities. Definitely, we don't as kids, as even till graduation, we don't if you're staying at home. So suddenly there'll be a lot of responsibilities for you to do, personal, professional, everything. And you will be responsible for all the actions that you take, be it regarding the patient, be it regarding your own personal life, be it regarding your behavior with your contemporaries and your professors. In everything, your actions and reactions, you're responsible for that. And also, if you're not taking an initiative to kind of implement an action, to kind of do something, you'll be thought of as if you're kind of escaping. So you, so you cannot get away with things easily. You'll be rewarded less, but you'll be rewarded nicely. Everything will be seen, everything will be taken care of, and this will help you grow. That's, I'm repeatedly saying, it'll help you grow, because PG in its own self is a life for you. So department